Today I will show you how to find a name from email. So how to extract name from this. So it's quite easy. You will need one column with your email, but you can have a lot of column. It's up to you. There is no problem. And then you will need Derrick. So if you don't have Derrick yet, you can go to Google Workspace Marketplace and go to download business app in Marketplace. You will search for Derrick inside the search bar, and then click on the blue button admin install or personal install. When you finish to install the Derrick app, you can close this tab and go back to your Derrick sheet. Then you will see in extension here LinkedIn email phone finder and here Derrick. You can click on open sidebar. I will do it. Okay, and then you will see this beautiful sidebar appear here with a lot of feature. The feature that we will use today is the find name from email. So name, let's get name from email, this. Okay, and so this feature is free, so you don't have to have a new plan or everything else. So just select the column with your email. As I say before, you can have like a lot of column if you want. Okay, Derrick will automatically find the header of your column, and he will you will see this here. Okay, so as you can see, Derrick automatically find this header. So what you will do is to select the email column. In our case, it's the email. It's the first column. Okay, and then you will click on parse. Okay, when you click on parse, Derrick will start to work and create some new headers of column, and he will try to take this and pass data to get name and first name, last name, and domain. So it's 100% free, but you can do it in 1 second. And as you can see, it takes 1 second to find name and first name, last name. When he's sure, he will give you a name and last name. When he's not sure, you will not see anything. For instance, for this one, he don't know how to do the split, and so he say not found. You can use this feature for free and premium plan, and it's an unlimited feature, so feel free to ask it as much as you want. That's all. If you have any question, feel free to ask, and hope you will try this feature soon. Goodbye.